Welcome to the first value case release of 2025. We hope you had a great start into the new year. Today, I just want to show you the 3 biggest new features. There are a couple more you will find in our changelog and product newsletter, but let's dive right into the highlights. So the first new feature is our new navigation. Now on the left side, you won't find these unorganized points anymore that we had before. We really added so many features last year that we had to do this navigation revamp. And now we organized everything into 3 neat areas: customers, assets, and analytics. And you will also find anywhere where you are the create new space button on the top left, so you can just start working with customers from any screen really. And your settings, you might miss them here, moved to the top right. So just click on your photo on the top right, and then you find your personal profile settings, and depending on your role, the admin settings, etc. This is the first thing. Let's move to the next. We made an upgrade to our milestone progress block. So you might know this block. It shows you the progress of an action plan. So basically how the milestones complete, and it turns green over time. This is one of our most used blocks. It's great to add it to a first page of a space, for example, to show how the progress is moving forward. Specifically if you have like an onboarding process or like a POC project that you want to complete. Now, the problem with this was that if you had multiple action plans in your spaces, this didn't really work because it only showed one action plan. But this changed now. So if you click on this block or you add a new one, you will see these new settings in the sidebar. And now you can choose between showing just a single action plan or multiple action plans. And if you switch to multiple, you can activate the action plans that you want to show. And you see, we now don't show the milestones anymore, but we show you basically each action plan, where's the completion, and everything will turn green as soon as the action plan is done. And this just allows you to have a snapshot of space, process, and progress right on your first page, for example. So I think this will quickly become a favorite. Go check it out. It's awesome. We use it now in most of our templates. Now, finally, I want to show you persistent links. One limitation of value case before was that if you had content on one of your pages, for example, on this one, you couldn't link to this content from other pages. But let's say you have maybe important resources and an action plan, and you want to link from your action plan to those resources. Now you can do that. So you can add a button that basically takes your customer from some page to another block. And this is really, really neat if you want to, for example, build a table of contents, or just like I did here, have something in your action plan to complete for the customer in different places of your spaces. And the more complex your spaces become, the more useful this will be. And how you do this is in your template. So let me go here. This is a template, the same you've just seen as a space. And in your template, you can just go and copy the link of the block you want to link to. So for example, let's say I want to have the link to this. You can just click copy persistent link in your template. This will copy a very cryptic link into your clipboard. So let me just repeat what I did before. And you can then, for example, go here, go to website, and then view resources, and just paste that link. And you will see it looks a bit strange, but this allows us, when you create a new space from this template, to dynamically replace this with the correct link to only that space. So your customer doesn't jump between different spaces, between different templates or so, and they just are in one space. And this just is a great feature if you want to better organize your spaces. Now, there's more features in our product newsletter, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this first release. There's a ton more things coming in the next few weeks. We are really looking forward to this year with you. See you in the next release. Bye-bye.